In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Microsoft Forms responses. Whether for work, school, or personal projects, Microsoft Forms is a fantastic tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and polls. At some point, you might find the need to print the responses you've received for record keeping, analysis, or to share them during meetings. Whatever the reason, printing these responses isn't as straightforward as hitting the print button, but don't worry. I've got you covered with an easy to follow guide. First things first, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your Microsoft account. So let's start by opening your preferred browser and heading over to Microsoft Forms. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in. Look for the sign in button and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing the forms you've created or have been shared with you. After clicking sign in, you'll be asked to enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Make sure to input the correct email address to avoid any access issues. Following the input of your email, click Next to proceed. The following step will require you to enter your password. Password security is critical, so hopefully you've chosen one that's both secure and memorable. Once you've entered your password, hit Next again to sign into your account successfully. With the sign-in process out of the way, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of Microsoft Forms. Here, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created or that others have shared with you. Look through the list and select the form you're interested in by clicking on it. This action will open the form, allowing you to view various details, including the responses that participants have submitted. At this point, you're just a few clicks away from reaching your goal. Look for a tab labelled Responses at the top of the page and click on it. This will take you to a page where all individual responses are compiled. But to print these responses, you'll need to access the summary of the form responses, which provides a more concise and organized view, ideal for printing. To access the summary view, look for a three-dot icon, sometimes referred to as the More Options icon, located typically at the top right corner of the response page. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you'll find one labelled Print Summary. Go ahead and select it. Upon selecting Print Summary, a new window will appear, displaying a printer-friendly version of the response summary. This view is designed to be clean and concise, making it perfect for printing. You'll notice that the formatting has been optimized to ensure that the printed document is both legible and professionally presented. Finally, all you need to do now is print the document. Depending on your browser and printer settings, you might see a prompt asking you to confirm print settings such as the printer to use, the number of copies, and whether you want to print in color or black and white. Adjust the settings according to your preference, and when you're ready, click on the print button. And that's it, you've successfully printed the summary of responses from your Microsoft form. This method offers a streamlined and organized way to analyze and share the valuable feedback or data you've collected. Remember, the ability to analyze responses offline or have a physical record can be incredibly beneficial for meetings, presentations, or just personal review. Plus, sharing printed copies can engage people who may not have access to digital devices or prefer paper-based information. Microsoft Forms is a powerful tool, and printing responses just scratches the surface of what you can do with it. Whether it's for educational purposes, business meetings, or personal projects, being able to print and share responses in a tangible format can be very useful. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide enhances your Microsoft Forms experience. Happy printing!